Could a simple quality control certification land an engineer in court for graft and falsification? Discover how Joel Nemensio Macasil's case reached the Supreme Court. Subscribe now for more legal insights that could save your life. This is the 82nd case out of the 160 cases decided by Associate Justice Mario Lopez, chairperson of the 2024 Philippine Bar Examinations. Joel Nemensio M. Macasil v. Fraud Audit and Investigation Office, FAO, Commission on Audit, Public Assistance and Corruption Prevention Office Ombudsman, Visayas Regional Office No. 8, and Office of the Ombudsman, Visayas, GR number 226898, May 11, 2021. On February 7, 2005, the Commission on Audit, COA, Regional Office No. 8 conducted an investigation into the infrastructure projects of the Tacloban City Subdistrict Engineering Office for the calendar years 2003 and 2004. The audit faced obstacles due to delayed and non-submission of contract documents, leading to suspension notices issued to responsible officers. Once the necessary documents were submitted, a further review revealed that several projects had identical descriptions, prompting a more in-depth audit. The Fraud Audit and Investigation Office, FAIO, found discrepancies in 32 infrastructure projects. These projects did not comply with the approved plans and were overpaid due to inflated accomplishment reports, resulting in overpayments totaling PHP 52. 178,645.18. Based on these findings, the Public Assistance and Corruption Prevention Office filed a complaint against Joel Nemensio M. Macasil, a materials engineer, along with other officials, for violating Section 3(e) of Republic Act, RA, No. 3019, also known as the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, and for falsification under Article 171 of the Revised Penal Code, RPC. Macasil was accused of certifying statements of work accomplished, SWA, that were overstated, leading to overpayments. He denied the charges, asserting that his role was confined to quality control of materials and that he was not responsible for certifying project accomplishments or recommending payments. Macasil emphasized that he was unaware of the investigation during the fact-finding phase and only learned of the allegations when he received a copy of the complaint. On May 8, 2015, the Office of the Ombudsman, Visayas, found probable cause to indict Macasil for 23 counts of violation of Section 3(e) of RA No. 3019 and 26 counts of falsification under Article 171 of the RPC. His motion for reconsideration was denied, leading him to file a petition for certiorari decision of the lower courts. The Office of the Ombudsman, Visayas, concluded that there was sufficient evidence to indict Macasil for violations of Section 3(e) of RA No. 3019 and for falsification under Article 171 of the RPC. The decision was based on his alleged certification of SWAs for 32 infrastructure projects that were overstated and resulted in overpayments. The Ombudsman contended that Macasil's actions showed manifest partiality, evident bad faith, or gross inexcusable negligence, which caused undue injury to the government. Primary issue in the Supreme Court: did the Office of the Ombudsman, Visayas, commit grave abuse of discretion in finding probable cause to indict Joel Nemensio M. Macasil for violating the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act and for falsification of public documents? The Supreme Court found the petition meritorious and granted it, ruling that the Ombudsman committed grave abuse of discretion. The court emphasized that probable cause requires sufficient facts to establish a well-founded belief that a crime was committed and that the respondent is likely guilty. The court noted that Macasil's certification pertained solely to the quality of materials used, not the completion or compliance of the infrastructure projects. The certifications in question were signed by the contractor and the project engineer, not by Macasil. The court underscored that the responsibility for project supervision lies with the project engineer, and the charges against Macasil were outside the scope of his duties as a materials engineer. Moreover, the elements of falsification under Article 171 of the RPC were not proven. Macasil did not make untruthful statements in a narration of facts, nor was there any evidence of criminal intent or mens rea. The court stated that Macasil's role was limited to ensuring the quality of materials, and the alleged acts